Nuvisio is a natural and holistic technology platform that fosters healthy and radiant skin by activating and protecting your unique skin microbiome. We have partnered with select locations at Pure and Simple Spas to bring you a Skin Microbiome Facial to repair years of damage and protect skin through the power of Nuvisio's platform technologies. This singular treatment offers over 50 skin health benefits in 7 luxurious steps. Indeed, the full power of Nuvisio is unleashed through the utilization of our 3 technology platforms, those being our mineral bloom technology, mass transfer sequestration technology, and mineral silk technology. First step includes cleansing the skin with our Skin Optimized Cleansing Oil, a 100% natural, detergent-free, microbiome-friendly cleanser that effortlessly dissolves impurities and makeup without stripping or overly cleansing the skin while supporting skin's essential microbiome. Apply a few pumps to dry face with fingertips and gently massage. Remove with a moist towel. As a result, skin is left balanced, nourished, and primed for treatment. Second step includes gentle physical and chemical exfoliation under steam with our technology-driven products that deliver glowing results. First component utilizes the power of Dr. Bray's research through our purifying mineral mask to produce a deep physical exfoliation that extracts impurities via our mass transfer sequestration technology while simultaneously protecting and nurturing a healthy skin microbiome. This dual benefit is made possible via our proprietary blend of natural minerals from ancient mountains and seabeds that are supercharged and activated by Nuvisio mineral bloom technology. The net result is a synergistic, natural treatment that heals skin, improves skin texture, normalizes skin's pH, and enhances skin's natural barrier function. The skin is left feeling refreshed, smooth, and radiant. The purifying mineral mask is an active mask. The longer you massage it and keep it moist, the more the mass transfer sequestration technology will remove impurities while offering mineral protection and skin microbiome support. Nuvisio eliminates the concept of masks sitting idle on the skin. This mask treatment is dynamic. Second component is enzymatic exfoliation with our fruit enzyme peel that gently lifts and exfoliates dead skin cells while supporting the skin's essential microbiome. Charged with a proprietary blend of fruit enzymes, including passion fruit, pineapple, grape, and lemon to boost hydration, penetrate deeply, and work quickly. This fruit enzyme peel addresses uneven skin tone, dullness, and uneven texture. The skin is immediately left feeling rejuvenated, refreshed, nourished, smooth, silky soft, and radiant. In treatment, blend 1 part purifying mineral mask to 1 part fruit enzyme peel for best results. Apply on slightly damp skin under steam. Massage for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Let the enzymes activate for 1 to 10 minutes, depending on the client's skin sensitivity and tolerance for AHA peels. Remove with a damp cloth. Third step includes soothing and calming the skin with silky smooth mineral-enriched balm concentrate. The potent botanical infusion contains a proprietary blend of ancient minerals that repair the skin from within, blurring fine lines and supporting cell renewal. This everyday face balm uses mineral silk technology to create a natural second skin barrier through the association of the remnant minerals post the purifying mineral mask treatment, leaving your skin protected, silky smooth, and radiant. Activate the formula by taking a small amount of the balm and smooth it over the face, neck, and chest area. The mineral enriched balm concentrate is the key support for the skin's natural microbiome and the source of a multitude of skin health benefits. Fourth step includes ultra concentrated and silky smooth luxurious mineral enriched eye balm that actively heals, balances, and protects vital moisture reserves, combining natural mineral purity through the power of a scientifically balanced formula. The proprietary blend of ancient minerals repairs the skin from within, blurring fine lines and supporting cell renewal. The mineral-enriched eye balm also supports skin's natural microbiome and reduces inflammation through mineral silk technology. Activate the formula by taking a small amount of the eye balm and smooth it over the areas around the eye contour. The minerals within the mineral-enriched eye balm formula will remain on the skin, providing additional long-term skin protection. Fifth step includes repair and treatment with blue light emitting diode or LED skin therapy to reduce acne, scarring, and dark spots. Blue LED light may reduce activity in the sebaceous glands to produce less oil, as well as target acne-causing bacteria, leading to reduced acne. Sixth step includes hydration with pure and simple collagen Hydra face and neck sheet mask. This sheet mask stimulates collagen production, provides hydration, and plumps dull and dehydrated skin. To use, remove any excess face balm with a damp towel and gently massage the contents of the package onto the skin. Unfold the mask and gently place over the face and let it remain for 10 to 15 minutes. Seventh and final step includes protection with our skin-optimized vitamin C serum. This exquisite, lightweight, oil-based serum brightens, firms, evens skin tone, and reduces the look of wrinkles. The advanced skin-optimized vitamin C serum contains one of the most stable forms of vitamin C, tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, at 10% concentration in a highly absorptive formula to leave your skin exceptionally soft, brightened, and luminous. It can penetrate 3 times greater than ascorbic acid at the same concentration, even when the ascorbic acid is 25 times higher. The Skin Microbiome-Friendly formula enhances barrier function and supports collagen production. With regular use, this potent serum helps achieve a radiant and healthy tone while reducing dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Book your Nuvisio Skin Microbiome Facial today at exclusive, pure and simple spa locations. Healthy skin is beautiful skin. Achieve a natural glow and start pure with Nuvisio.